simplify, you need to know your multiplication facts. So a lot of the math that slows kids down is that they don't know their multiplication facts. That's what slows down a lot of students and makes math hard. For those of you who like have this memorized and you're really good at your multiplication facts, math is pretty easy because you're not worried about like what can I divide 5 and 10 by? You know it. A lot of the struggle that I see in 7th grade is because of this, because they don't know their multiplication facts. So take some time and memorize them if you're still not A-okay with it. All right, let's do this. Today's date is 9/28/22, almost the end of the month, kids. Oh, no. I don't know if I'm going to have you turn in anything today. I don't know until someone says, are we going to turn this in? And I'm like, yeah, you're right, we should. Click picture. Hi.
No,
okay.
Nothing. Somebody call me?
No.
Okay. That's good, I guess.
All right, dividing fractions. So we spent 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, multiplying fractions. And then we're going to divide fractions. My second and third period did the exact same thing. They're also multiplying fractions.
Have they started dividing?
No, they're going to start today.
So we're at the same pace as them?
Yes. Yeah, just because I was out. When I'm out, it's like you guys kind of fall behind, or whatever period I'm out. All right. 2/3 times 4/9. Oh, no. Tampoco. Hi, Miss Lomeli. You had a donut, you had coffee, you're good. Dividing. All right. Does anybody know how to divide fractions?
No, not really.
Yeah.
You have to flip one of the fractions, like, yeah. That's how they're
Yeah, you gotta divide it like, like that.
Yeah, you had to flip one of them.
Good.
Yes. The second one.
Reminder, fractions like this are not a 7th grade thing. Once I throw in a negative, then it's a 7th grade thing. But we're this is from 5th, maybe 6th grade. Okay. So how do you divide fractions? You don't. You keep, comma, change, comma, flip. Write this down in that order. So you keep the first fraction.
Yeah.
You change division to multiplication, and you flip the last fraction. Keep, change, flip. KCF, not KFC, KCF. All right? Yes, but out of order. So, Isaac, your hood. So we keep this first one, 2/3. We change division to multiplication, Isaac. And then you flip this around. So you just literally flip it. Yes. In algebra, it's called the reciprocal. Okay? Reciprocal is a fancy word for just flipping it. Okay? But it doesn't really roll off the tongue if I say keep, change, reciprocal. You know? It just doesn't flow.
It doesn't.
No. So we go in 7th grade, we say keep, change, flip. In algebra, you'll call it the reciprocal. No worries. All right. So now we're in multiplication mode. Now we multiply. Now you could multiply straight across and then get an answer. But we don't do that. We simplify the corners first.
Oh, okay. I did that.
So 2 and 4.
2.
You simplify once you're in the multiplication zone. You don't simplify up here. You simplify down here. 2 divided by 2? 1. So 1, circle it. 4 divided by 2? 2, circle it. Can you simplify the other corner? Yes, by 3.
3 over 2. Yeah. Yep.
This becomes a 1. This becomes a 3. Equals 3.
Do you leave it as an improper fraction?
I'm considering you guys leaving it as an improper fraction. I did on the worksheet, right? I told you yesterday to just leave it like that. Yeah.
It was her birthday. Yeah, you said happy birthday to everyone.
Oh yeah, that's right. I said happy birthday, Merry Christmas. You can leave it like that.
It's your birthday now.
Yes.
Right? Happy Easter.
All right. So let's do one more. By one more, I mean 10.
I wasn't even paying attention to the video. Because I kind of already know how to do it.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention to you.
Wow.
Not very nice, huh? Doesn't feel nice, does it?
It's just a video.
Just a video.
It's just math.
She's gonna cancel you and she's never gonna like you.
She's gonna.
Yeah.
She's gonna quit YouTube. Give him an A minus.
See your pencil. Bye.
Don't put her down now. She already has a plastic plaque.
Ungradable.
Ungradable.
She already has a plastic plaque now.
It's fine. It's fine. It's just Kevin. It's cool. It's fine.
Ah.
Miss Melly, remember his joke?
It's because
Miss Melly, remember his joke?
What do you call it?
Remember he said.
Okay, we get it.
A rectangle
he-
is fully.
he
I
is-
get it, dude. Stop.
he gets mad when we say it. I don't know why.
Can I just like move on from that in peace, please?
But there's no one left at it.
So when you guys are seniors in high school, you remember his joke, okay?
I wanted to get it, please.
Okay, let's move on, please. Okay, so again, we're going to keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Keep, yeah. KCF. All right, so this one stays as 3 over 5. Division turns into multiplication.
And then it's 9 over
Okay.
9 over 6.
Kentucky chicken.
All right.
What?
Let's get our answers on our paper. Now, in multiplication, we multiply straight across. But before I want you to simplify the corners first before you multiply.
9 cents.
So, the 5 and the 9,
Nope.
nothing. The 6 and the 3, yes. By 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2.
I don't think you can simplify these in the corners.
No. So it would be 9 over 10, and you're done.
You can't simplify.
You can't simplify.
Or it's 9 over
No.
All right.
Happy birthday, good night. Whoa.
Oh, you still have to change it to an improper fraction though.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Kevin, for the answer.
How is that bad?
On how to do the problem. On how to
It
do
looked
the
like
problem.
Miss Melly glitched because she just stood there. She's like.
Oh.
Or lag in simulation.
I was trying to find a nice number, but I think I messed it up. Whatever. So the math is gonna be hard. No big deal. All right. So let's change this to improper first. So improper first. Improper first.
Oh.
Before you flip, you gotta improper it. That's even a word.
2 times 2 is 4. 5 over 2.
5 over 2 divided by
No,
22
it's multiplication.
over 7. Well, first step, if you want to do 2 and 1, cool, don't mess up.
Kevin.
Now that we change it to improper, now it's keep, change, flip. So your first step is improper. That was a skill that you guys learned before. Now you keep, change, and then flip. I was trying to do it where the 22 would be here, but I'm no bueno. So you can't simplify this. So you just go straight across. So 35 over 44.
And you can't simplify.
And you can't simplify. So, stop. So this is like level 2 where you have your, your all right, 6 1/4 divided by 5/16. So what's the first step?
Change the
Improper fraction. So you should be all able to do improper fraction. This is what I worked a lot with yesterday with my second and third. So you get 25 over 4 divided by 5 over 16, right?
Now you do the keep change.
Now you do the keep, change, flip. Keep,
20
change,
over 1.
flip. So 25 over 4 times 16 over 5. And this time Miss Lamelli was able to correctly put the numbers in the right spot mathematically.
Good job.
Makes the math easier. What can you divide the corners by?
By 2.
No. 5 and
The other one.
4. If you use 2, you end up simplifying in your answer. And no one wants to do that. 25 divided by 5, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. Then this one, 4 is better than 2. 20 over 1, which is just equal to 20. Whenever you get a number over 1, it's always that number. So 20 over 1 is really just 20. Yes?
Can I go to the bathroom?
You have to come in after school to serve your time.
Wow. Can I do it in the morning though?
No,
Oh, you're not here.
I'm never here in the morning.
Oh, hold it. Never mind.
She's getting her Starbucks.
That's right. There you go.
At Ross.
That makes no sense. That makes no sense. That makes no sense.
Like I went the other day. I want really bad.
All right, so it's always double-sided. What are you talking about? Let's go on the side that says dividing fractions. Your first one is 1/2 divided by 2/3. So at the bottom of that little tiny space that's there, we're gonna go 1/2 times what?
Times
3 2s. Very good. Then, can you simplify?
No.
Nope. So what's our answer?
3/4.
How did I get 3/4? I just multiply the tops. 1 times 3, 3. And 2 times 2, 4. Okay? All right. The second one. How do I rewrite if I go across? How do I rewrite this problem?
4 7
times 5/4.
So step number 1 is to keep, change, flip. Then, what do the 4s become? 1s.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah, right.
And then, what's my answer? Okay, we'll do one more together. How do we rewrite this?
5 9 times 9.
What do the 9s become? I'm simplifying. And then our answer is? Like, if you don't understand why I'm crossing these out, if you multiply straight across, you get 45 over 36. If you type in 45 over 36 on your test, you would get it wrong because it's not simplified. This, you would then have to divide this and this by 9, and you end up with our answer here. But look at the numbers you're dealing with. You're dealing with such big numbers, and then you have to know that you're going to have to divide by 9, which a lot of times students struggle with, and they're like, I don't know what I can divide 45 and 36 by. That's why it's a lot easier to simplify here than it is at the end. And a lot of times kids see that right away, or it takes them a minute to see it, but it's worth it. All right, let's continue working. Let me double check.